In this video, I'll show you how to use the Wanderlog app. Alright, so what I really want to cover here is just setting up our trip. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click on the plus icon. From here, we'll click on Trip Plan. And the first thing we want to do is select our destination. So I'll just say Japan, and let's look for a city, let's say Osaka. Now over here, we need to select our dates. So let's say I'll be leaving here until the 19th. Now here where it says reservations and attachments, this is where we can put in all our documents. So all our documents will be stored in one place instead of going through photos and emails and so forth. So if I click here on more, you'll see we've got a whole list of attachments we can add. And I'll show you with a flight. So here you can see if I'm pro, I can sync with Gmail, but otherwise I have to forward my email. And there you can see the forwarding address. All right, so there you can see the forwarding email address. So I'll just copy this and I'll send my flight information to that email address. And we can do this for lodging as well. So we can book a hotel from here, or we can forward our hotel booking information. Same for rental cars, other attachments like your passport documents or whatever. Over here, we have a section for important notes about the trip. This is especially useful if you're working with multiple people on this trip. And then places to visit. Now, you can manually add a place, or you can go through the list of places here and just add them if you see what you're looking for. And so these will be numbered so you can easily find them on the map if you're looking for them. And you also have an option to add some notes over here or checklists. Another thing is that we can add more lists. So you see add new list. And these could be lists for anything, items that we need to pack. Heck, that's all I can think of now. But yeah, we can make tons of different important lists. So next up, let's head over to itinerary. Now, if you're a pro user, you can optimize routes or order for your day, but non-pro users will have to just manually add places. Though, if you set up your overview nicely, you can see your list of places all here on the quick select. So for instance, Monday, you're going to go to one place, and then on Tuesday, you're going to go to another spot. And that is going to bring us to the Explore section here. So what's nice about Explore is that they give you tons of suggestions for restaurants, coffee shops, attractions, things like that. And you can go through these categories and just look for some places that you might want to visit. So let's say you want to go to Toyo. You can just click on Add, and you'll see this pop up here. You can hit Change because it's going to be for the last date you selected on your itinerary, and then you can change it to a different date like Thursday, or maybe you've got two dates like Tuesday and Monday, all up to you. Next up, we are going to the expenses section or budget, and if you click over here, you can set your budget, set group balances, and view your budget breakdown, as well as clicking over here to add expenses, and you can add the amounts, the specific item, who's paying, if there's going to be splits and how the split will work, and an optional section to add the specific date. On the top right here, these three dots, you can hit share, and here you can choose, can the person you're sharing to edit, or can they only view? And there are other options in here like privacy settings or deleting the entire trip, and everything saves once you make a choice. So you can go home and you'll still see your trip there. And that's all I've got for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.